For smoothing the contours in a heavy piece of steel like this, you'd want to use a heavy steel slapper. These slappers are hardened spring steel and are very heavy. And if you look on the finished surface, you'll see that there's no rough marks in the surface of the panel. It just smooths the panel. And you can just sand it with 180 paper and you're done. Leaves a very nice finish because the surface of the tool is polished. The working face of the tool is polished and it leaves no marks. The lighter tool that we would use in this case would be the lighter slapper. It's considerably thinner. Again, the Z-bar is designed to keep your fingers out of the way of the striking surface. When you hold the bar, you can see that the surface misses your fingers. And again, this is lighter. And the surface of the tool again is polished. And the surface of the metal that you're straightening again is very good. It leaves only polished marks, and just a little bit of sanding will take care of these easily.